Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths, and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make wreaths and all things home decor. So it's Valentine's Day season and I want a leopard heart and I can't find one. So, or the ones that they have other patterns on it, and I just want a leopard heart. So I'm gonna make one on my own. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a heart with leopard, and we could put this on a wreath or we can just decorate on its own, or it in itself can be a door hanger. So we're gonna need a heart, a wooden heart. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. Different stores have them. Walmart has them. Hobby Lobby has them. Everywhere has these hearts. So a heart, and I got some cloth. I want leopard. So I went to Joann's and just got some leopard cloth. And then I got, this is like a quilt filling. So I got one, probably, I don't know. This is how thick it is. Okay, and maybe, just maybe, we'll add some lace, not sure. So let's get started, guys. If you have not liked my channel or subscribed, please do so you guys catch all of my tutorials. So we're gonna cut off the rope here from our heart, and we're basically going to get our cloth and let's extend it out. And I just need, I'm gonna fold this over. So I just need about yay here, yay amount here. And that's an actual measurement in Texas, yay. Yay amount here, and I'd say about here on this side. So we're gonna cut that. And you guys can also get, they also sell scraps of cloth that you can do. They'll do like a yard or different measurements, whatever cloth you have. You can even use it in a t-shirt if you have a pretty design on a t-shirt. Okay, so we've cut about this much cloth. This is taking up a lot of my table space. So let's cut about the same, the amount that we need. Okay, so we will get a marker and we're just gonna trace our heart. Okay. And then we're gonna cut our heart out. See that? You're upside down, but you know it's a heart. And we're actually gonna cut a little bit outside of the heart. And we have this. So let's get we're gonna put our quilt over our cloth. This is a lasagna. So the first layer is our cloth. Our second layer is our quilted pattern here. And our third layer is our wooden heart. And we can actually cut some of these corners. Okay, so once we've cut our cloth, we're gonna make some cuts going out as if it were sun rays coming out. So we're gonna cut, let me show you. Here, here, here. And this is going to serve the purpose of being able to maneuver this cloth more, okay? So we're gonna cut that around our whole heart, okay? That's gonna make it easier for us to fold this to make a burrito out of this heart. So let's do that around. And for the center part of our heart, let's go ahead and cut that all the way to the center because we want to have a heart look like a heart. Okay. So we can start now folding in our cloth, okay? And I'm actually going to staple this first one. It did not go through, so it's okay. We're gonna staple that first one and then go ahead and hot glue it. And then we are just going to take the next piece, fold it over, and I'm gonna staple that one as well. It's not going through. And then we will start just folding over, and we can make sure they're tight. And if we need a cut, I didn't cut deep enough, a little bit more into it to help it be closer so it's not bubbly in the front in odd places. We can just go ahead and fix our cuts. But we're gonna take our next strap. Let's put some hot glue gun, get our hot glue gun, put some hot glue, and then we're gonna add that piece. And just kind of hold the cloth down. We're gonna add some more glue here. You're not gonna see the back part, so be as messy as you need to be to make sure it sticks on there. Okay, so I'm gonna pull a little tightly here, and I'm gonna put our next piece in. And just hold it down for a couple of seconds. Careful not to burn ourselves. I do have my glue gun on high temp. Okay, and I'm gonna cut this one a little bit more. And cut this one a little bit more. And just keep doing this all the way around. And you don't have to staple it if you don't have a one of these staple guns. You could just use glue. I just wanted to make it extra tight, so I added a little reinforcement. But you can see how it's already starting to take shape. And we're gonna just do this all the way around, okay? Just keep adding glue and folding in. Glue, fold, glue, fold. Look how cute this came out. Isn't this adorable? So I'm gonna use this for a wreath. So I now have a wreath attachment in the pattern that I like that I could not find. This is a super fun, quick and easy, inexpensive DIY that you can do. And you guys pick any cloth. If you have a material or a ribbon that you want to match with and you can't find an attachment for it, or they're too expensive, make one yourself. Super fun, super easy. All right, guys, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.